energy is fire. Conversation is right. If you stay tonight, baby, I might let you say all of me. Want you here, need your mind in these sheets. Completely.
In this video, you're gonna learn how to take not just a better photography or better picture, but also artistic picture where you'll be really happy to put on your Instagram or any social media that you have. And also that you can frame it, put it on your living room or in a bedroom, or even put it on a magazine or in a book. Just watch till the end. So I have few tips and tricks that I'm gonna be sharing with you so that you're gonna be really glad that you watch this video till the end. All right, so let's get it done. Alright guys, so we're gonna take my first picture of today. I have taken picture of the shot so many times, and you can see those pictures and in different angle and different locations. One day I was coming from the underground, not from the overground, and from the train, and then I saw from the platform how I can frame the shot. So we're gonna go there and I'm gonna take the picture from that platform to add this kind of really better way, a beautiful way of capturing, of framing, the shot compared to the other pictures I took before, because I want something to be unique, something that people don't think about it often when I take pictures and so on and so on. So that's a tip that I'm going to be bringing to you. So always think on your feet outside the box so that you can take always artistic and beautiful picture for your Instagram or whatever that you want to use it. All right, so let's go into the platform, London Bridge, and take that picture.
I don't want just anybody. Can you treat me like somebody?
Yeah, there's a nice spot here to take a picture.
I don't want just anybody. Let me treat you like somebody.
Yeah, I think here we can see the shot. I mean, the shot is over there. So let me see how I'm gonna take a picture.
I got that pressure, don't need no scrub. Try these special, I need your love. Need your love, need your love.
So basically I'm using those two. I'm using the platform of 5 and also the platform 4. So yeah, that's the platform 5 that we're using as a one side of the framing of the line. So this one is a platform 4 that we're using as the second line of the frame. 2 as a frame so that I can capture, the top of the shot. And also just not to create the boring pictures. Otherwise, I mean, there's so many positions that you can take the shot, but it was gonna be like any other person pictures. So, that's always, you have to think about what artistic eye that you can bring into the picture, Always about artistic eye. So if I take it from there, you can see those two, line or going toward the shot. And if you lift it up, it's like creating a triangle. You can see the shot. So when you see, so then you lift it up, so that you're directing the eye of the person, toward the shot, right? So at the end, the end is closing and then it's open up, and then I have the shot at the top there. So if I take it from here,
We know that, might not agree, but you show that.
so I take it from here.
Made my decision. Just 1 second, girl, listen. I ain't tryna run no game.
So all is about the shot,
My decision. Just 1 second, girl, listen.
Yeah, okay, so that's one. So let's go and get another picture as well so that I can show you the second tip, All right, so let's go.
If you're tryna find love, know it's hard to keep. Even when it get tough and you wanna leave. Take a look into your eyes where I find reason.
Guys, so behind me is Tower Bridge. It's one of the iconic landmarks of London. I want to take a picture of it, but I want to introduce an artistic way of taking a picture of Tower Bridge, because you can take different angles. So this one, I don't think that I have seen so many pictures of Tower Bridge taken the way that it's taken, So you're gonna go there, move there, and then show you the angle that I'm gonna be taking the Tower Bridge, All right, let's go.
The past week, can we start afresh, leaving in last week?
this way you can also take picture of the shot, but I think it's covered by the tree, so that's what I didn't note. But I have few pictures of this side that now it's shot I took in the past. From this angle, I took really beautiful picture of the shot in the night shot as well. Tower Bridge is just behind us. So if we walk over there, we're gonna come and then see the full Tower Bridge. But I don't wanna see the full Tower Bridge. I wanna use this alley so that I can just take one pillar of the Tower Bridge, yeah? That's what I'm gonna try to do from here. So if Delix turn, so we're just gonna take this. So if we take it, so we're just gonna take this angle from here, we're gonna take the angle of the Tower Bridge. But also, I'm not just gonna stand upright and then take a picture. I'm gonna try to introduce an angle here. I'm gonna go down, and also I'm gonna use the line, this line below, to create a guiding line. So I'm gonna use the guiding line below. I don't know if Delix can see it. So I use the guiding line. So guys, so we're gonna move a little bit forward so that just to take a better view. Okay, there's less people here. Let me get this now quickly. So we're gonna move a little bit forward so that we can get a proper view, because there is so many people that are moving in and out. So all right, guys, so we move a little bit forward, yeah? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use those two, it's like a side line that's gonna go there. So let's try to capture, this picture again, yeah? To see the difference. So I'm gonna move just in front of Delix, and then I'm gonna go down. So yeah, if I go down, I think from this picture that I'm holding right now, you can see those two lines. So it's kind of the line converging, directing you toward the, directing you toward Tower Bridge. That's the impact that we want. So otherwise, guys, from here, that's the angle where a lot of people take picture of the Tower Bridge. So here you got it. So you got the both pillar there, but I won't call it boring, but it's common that you can find almost everybody. When everybody coming taking picture Tower Bridge, so that's what they come, and they want to take a picture here. But I think we want to introduce something new, something artistic, something that is no common. That's the aim of this tip and trick, for you to take pictures that are no comment, so that you can stand out. So guys, another beautiful spot, another favorite spot is the Millennium Bridge. And we go to Millennium Bridge now, also try to take a picture of the bridge. And again, I'm gonna try to introduce an artistic way of taking a picture of the Millennium Bridge, yeah? Not the common picture that you usually see when I come down to Millennium Bridge, yeah? All right, so we go to Millennium Bridge now. Right behind me is the Millennium Bridge, and that's my next subject. I'm taking a picture, but it's not because I think you can see from here, you can take a picture, yeah? But there's gonna be any other pictures, but I wanna introduce an artistic way of taking a picture. And I think we're just gonna go, and I'm gonna find the angle that I'm gonna take the picture. So let's go find an angle which I can create an artistic picture of the Millennium Bridge, yeah? All right, let's go. All right, so, I can take a picture from here, yeah? Let's see. So if I can take a picture from there. Give me a nice view of the whole Millennium Bridge. I can also add it, if I want, I can add the cathedral on the cathedral. But like this, there's nothing artistic about it, yeah? All right, so let's move on. So let's go on the bridge and then try to take a picture there. Let's see if it's gonna be artistic or not. I can take a picture. I'm right on the bridge. I'm just gonna take a picture like this, and let's see. really does not tell me anything, this picture. All right. So let go down, and by coming on, I saw something, probably from there I'm gonna take a picture. Guys, I wanna take the picture from the below of the bridge. And you may not recognize it as the Millennium Bridge, but it's not that's my concern. My concern, I want to take pictures that is really different from usually what other people take, and that's the creative. It's a uniqueness and also creative artistic of that. So I'm gonna take underneath, and I'm gonna try to center myself so that I can be right in the middle of that line of the bridge there.
Yeah, feel like John Moran. Need a triple double. Told him check the stats. Yeah, I got a couple. I don't drive the ball. Now I never fumble. I'm the MVP. Now I feel like Russell. Feel like John Moran. Need a triple double. Told him check the stats.
So I'm gonna try to freeze the water here and then take a picture. So
I'm the MVP. Now I feel like Russell. Yeah, I need it now.
I see them in the water.
Yeah, I'm on the way. I don't hear the talk. Don't care what they say. I don't got no patience. I can't ever wait. I've been trying to get it. Running up.
guys, always think outside the box. Think differently. Don't think like other people. Like people come in and then want to take a picture of something, memory and something, to just use whatever angle that they just take like anybody else. Always ask yourself this question. What angle that I can take that could be different? What angle that can be artistic? What angle that can really make this, whatever that you take in the subject, stand out and different from other people? That's why always have that process in your mind. So then every time that you take a picture, yours come out differently, come out beautiful and also artistic. So today I just use those a few examples to showcase to you that you can take great pictures, you can take better pictures, you can take artistic pictures. All of us, we have that. We just need to use our brain and our thinking all the time. Just think, and just think. So, Kuna Matata, my friend, that's the video here, there, and that's what I have for you. I hope you learn one or two tip and trick from what I share with you, and let me know in the comment box below. What do you think? What are the angles that I could have used to take those pictures that I took? Let me know in the comment box below. All right? Otherwise, Hakuna Matata, my friend. From me, it's all love. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.
Energy is fire. Conversation is right. If you stay tonight, baby, I might let you say, oh.